Hey everyone, welcome back to PlatterPulse, your cozy corner for delicious recipes with a twist. Today, we're making something a little unexpected, but absolutely addictive. Tahini iced coffee. That's right, creamy, nutty tahini meets smooth, chilled coffee for a bold, cafe-style drink you'll want every summer morning. If you haven't tried tahini in your coffee yet, this is your sign. Tahini is a rich sesame paste, often used in savory dishes like hummus, but it adds a subtle nuttiness and creamy texture to drinks twist special iced coffee. When blended with maple syrup, a touch of vanilla, and ice-cold brew, it becomes silky, refreshing, and slightly earthy, kind of like a nut butter latte, but more unique. Let's break down what you need. Cold brew coffee or espresso for that strong, rich coffee flavor. Maple syrup or honey balances out the tahini with a natural sweetness. Milk of your choice? I love oat milk for this, but almond, soy, or regular milk all work. Tahini, just a spoonful, gives the drink a nutty creaminess that's truly different. Optional add-ins: a pinch of cinnamon, sea salt, or a splash of vanilla extract to deepen the flavor, and of course ice. Alright, here's how easy it is. Step 1. In a shaker, small blender, or mixing bowl, combine 1½ teaspoons of tahini with 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Mix until smooth. It should be silky, not gritty. Step 2. Add 1/2 cup cold brew or 2 shots of espresso, your 1/2 cup of milk, and any extras like vanilla or cinnamon. Step 3. Shake it up or blend for 10 to 15 seconds until it is well mixed and lightly frothy. Step 4. Pour it over a glass filled with ice. Step 5. Stir, sip, and fall in love. So, why tahini? Unlike other creamers, tahini gives the drink depth and a hint of savory richness. It's loaded with healthy fats, has 0 dairy, and pairs beautifully with bold coffee and just a touch of sweetness. A velvety drink that feels like a cafe specialty but takes 2 minutes at home. The result? Want to make it extra? Add cocoa powder for a mocha tahini twist. Use date syrup for a caramel-like sweetener. Top with frothed milk or a sprinkle of cinnamon for a cozy finish. Use strong chilled tea instead of coffee for a tahini milk tea vibe. And there you have it, Tahini iced coffee, your new go-to summer pick. If you try this recipe, tag me at PlatterPulse and let me know your favorite variation. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more easy recipes, and hit the bell so you never miss a flavor drop. Until next time, stay cool and caffeinated.